What is up everybody, Sandesh here back again with another video, and today in this video we are going to talk a bit more about blind SQL injection, and we will deal with time delays. Okay, so we are going to learn some methodology of dealing with blind SQL injection of time delays. And alright, so without wasting time, let's roll into the intro. Okay guys, so once you roll into the intro, we have this lab to solve, and after solving this lab you will have a great concept, okay, of identifying which type of database is being used in the back end. Okay, and you can use this cheat sheet and take this as a reference. Okay, and all we need to do in this lab is we need to cause this you exploit this using SQL injection vulnerability, and it must cause a delay of 10 seconds. So I'll click on access the lab. Okay, so now that we have our lab loaded, so I'll just turn on the intercept here, and I'll just click on any random items here. I'll just send this to the repeater, and everything I have to do is under this category. As discussed previously, our vulnerable parameter is this tracking ID. So we will have a look at this cheat sheet over here, because all we need in this tutorial is this cheat sheet. So you can just go and take the reference of this cheat sheet. Okay, and firstly, what we need to do in this case is we need to close this query. So I will just send this, and everything is good till now. So I will just comment the rest of the line, and I will just try to do concatenate. And as I already discussed, for string concatenation you have either this plus sign or this double to bar or this space. Okay, and firstly we will try to do concatenation with Oracle and PostgreSQL, and then we will replace this with plus sign, and if that also do not solve the lab, then we will shift with this space. Okay, so firstly we should go and see this bar only works for Oracle and PostgreSQL. So we just need to go to this time delays one, and we can just do Oracle and PostgreSQL. So what I will do is I will just copy this command, and I will just select this, and I will just send this, and I will see whether it caused any delay in the response or not. And as you might guess, it did not cause any delay in the response. So you can just guess that the Oracle database is not being used in the backend. So now we will just go with PostgreSQL. So for that we can just do pg underscore sleep. Okay, and that's for 10 seconds. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll just send this, and you can see it is causing a bit delay in the response. Means this is the PostgreSQL database used in the backend, and if it receive cause a 10-second delay with this command or this command, then that parallel database is being used in the backend. So you see, and you can also see that there we have our lab solved. And that's all for today. Thank you, take care, bye.